If you are a veteran, active duty service member, or eligible military spouse, you may be able to buy a home with zero down payment and without paying monthly mortgage insurance. Most people hear that and assume it sounds too good to be true. But the VA Home Loan Program is one of the strongest home financing benefits available to military families today. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how VA loans work and how veterans buy homes with zero down payment. Hello, I'm John Thomas, a loan officer and VA home loan specialist with Primary Residential Mortgage. I help veterans and military families across Delaware and nationwide understand and maximize their VA home loan benefits. If you're thinking about buying a home using your VA eligibility, this video is going to walk you through everything you need to know in simple, real-world terms. What is a VA home loan? A VA home loan is a mortgage program backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. It was created to help veterans, active duty service members, and National Guard members, reservists, and some surviving spouses become homeowners with easier qualification guidelines and lower out-of-pocket costs. One of the most important things to understand is the VA does not actually lend money directly. Instead, the VA guarantees a portion of the loan for the lender. That guarantee reduces the lender's risk, which allows lenders to offer better loan terms for eligible borrowers. So there is no official VA lender, no matter how someone tries to market their mortgage company. Because of the VA guarantee, veterans can buy homes with no down payment, competitive interest rates, and fewer financial barriers compared to other loan programs. How veterans buy homes with zero down. One of the biggest advantages of the VA loan program is the ability to purchase a home with zero down payment. Most traditional mortgage programs require buyers to bring anywhere from 3% to 20% down. That can be a major obstacle for many home buyers. With a VA loan, eligible borrowers can finance 100% of the purchase price with enough VA entitlement. That means the loan can cover the full cost of the purchase price of the home, assuming the home appraises for the full purchase price, and the borrower qualifies financially. For example, purchase price of the home is $450,000, then the VA will allow the eligible borrower to borrow $450,000 from the VA lender. This is zero down payment feature allows many military families to become homeowners years earlier than they otherwise could. Instead of spending years saving for a down payment, buyers can focus on qualifying and finding the right home. It's important to understand that zero down does not always mean zero out of pocket. There will still be closing costs and prepaid items like taxes and insurance. However, many of those costs can sometimes be negotiated with what a seller paid closing costs, or you can see if you qualify for a PRMI military down payment program that gives up to 2% towards your closing costs for eligible VA borrowers. No monthly mortgage insurance benefit. Another major benefit of VA loans is they do not require monthly mortgage insurance. Most low down payment loans, such as FHA or conventional loans, require borrowers to pay mortgage insurance every single month. That insurance protects the lender, but increases the borrower's monthly payment. VA loans do not require monthly mortgage insurance because of the VA guarantee. This can significantly lower a veteran's monthly housing payment compared to other loan types. Over time, this can save borrowers hundreds of dollars per month and thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. The VA program instead charges a one-time funding fee for most veterans, which helps support the VA loan program and can be financed into the loan rather than paid up front. Disabled veterans are exempt from paying this funding fee. Who qualifies for VA home loans? VA home loan eligibility is based primarily on military service. Many groups may qualify, including active duty service member, veterans, National Guard members, reservists, and certain surviving spouses. Eligibility is verified through a document called a Certificate of Eligibility, commonly called a COE. This document confirms the borrower meets the VA service requirements and has a VA loan entitlement available. Beyond service eligibility, borrowers still must qualify financially. Lenders review credit, history, income stability, debt levels, and overall ability to repay the loan. VA loans typically offer flexible qualification guidelines compared to other mortgage programs, but borrowers must still demonstrate financial stability. VA loans often have better interest rates. Because the VA guarantees part of the loan, lenders face less risk. That reduced risk often allows lenders to offer lower interest rates compared to, let's say, conventional financing. Lower interest rates reduce monthly payments and increase long-term affordability. This is one of the reasons VA loans are often considered one of the most powerful mortgage benefits available to military families. Property and occupancy requirements for a VA loan. VA loans are designed to help veterans purchase primary residence only. That means the borrower must intend to live in the property as their main home. VA loans can be used for single-family homes, townhomes, condominiums, manufactured homes, and even 2 to 4 unit properties where the veteran occupies one of the unit. The property must also meet VA minimum property requirements. These standards help ensure the home is safe, structurally sound, and suitable for long-term occupancy. Common misunderstandings about VA loans. Many buyers, even some real estate professionals, misunderstand VA loans. Some believe VA loans are harder to close, require perfect credit, or always involve complicated inspections. In reality, VA loans are widely accepted and often close just as efficiently or even more efficiently than other loan types when handled properly. Another misconception is that VA loans can only be used once. Many veterans can use their VA loan benefit multiple times throughout their lifetime, depending on entitlement availability. When VA loans make the most sense? VA loans are often ideal for buyers who want to preserve savings, minimize upfront costs, or secure competitive monthly payments. They can be especially helpful for first-time home buyers, relocating military families, and veterans looking to maximize long-term financial stability through home ownership. Step-by-step overview of the VA home buying process. The typical VA home buying process starts with verifying your eligibility and reviewing your financial qualifications, so we get a COE. Next comes pre-approval, which helps buyers understand their price range and strengthens their offer when they find a home. Once a home is under contract, the loan moves through the appraisal, underwriting, and final approval before closing. While each transaction is unique, experienced VA lenders help guide borrowers through each step to ensure a smooth process. So if you are a veteran or a service member wondering whether you qualify for a VA home loan, I would be happy to review your eligibility, help you understand your options. Every military family situation is different, and getting accurate information early can make the entire home buying process much smoother. You can schedule a free VA loan consultation using the link below in the description, or you can call or text me directly at 302-703-0727. Again, I'm John Thomas, VA home loan specialist with Primary Residential Mortgage. If this video helped you better understand VA home loan benefits, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more VA loan education and home buying guidance designed specifically for veterans and military families. Please like and share. Have an amazing day.